Meaning of erratic boulder.
Erratic boulder.
Erratic boulder.
Erratic boulder.
Erratic boulder. An erratic boulder refers to a large rock or stone formation that is found in an area where it does not belong based on its surrounding geology. These boulders typically originated from other locations and were transported by glaciers during past ice ages before being deposited in their current location. Erratic boulders are important geological indicators that provide clues about the history of glaciation in a region. They can also be used to understand the movement of glaciers and help with reconstructing past environments and climates.